Hey, what's up, guys? What's up? I'm Sam.
Isaac.
This is Drop Motorsports.
Go, 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 go!
Hey, what's up, guys? This week I am working on a very cool project. My buddy, who I actually met in school, he was year 2. Woo! I was year 1, he was year 2. He has a beautiful S14 among other cars, and he's Skyline motor swapping it. So I'm actually cutting this out. He wants me to redo this. I'm gonna be doing both wheel wells and plating that and filling a bunch of holes like the heater core and stuff. So it's gonna be a nice long project. I'm gonna try to do it really, really clean because this is a nice clean car. It's gonna be a clean build, so I'll take you with for the journey. All right, guys, so I got the tank for the welder filled up, and this is the old welds and stuff, but he wants me to weld the seams up. Here, this seam right here, and then this. I'll have to cut this piece off. But I'm just starting on welding this seam and all the holes with black marks. I have to fill all these up, so I'll grind all those and fill all those. So for now, I'm just gonna start prep work pretty much, which is just making this nice, making the holes nice, and I'll get back to you. All right, I got this driver's side strut tower pretty much as done as I want it. You know, I'm not the prettiest welder, but functional. All right, so it's another day. Back to a little grinding. I finally took this little section right here out, but I gotta grind this all down nice and smooth. Then I'll make a nice little weld on the seam right there. What's up, guys? It is raining out right now, pretty hard, and I'm in here just getting her done. So I got a bunch of holes filled on both sides, and I'm doing the prep work. Got this whole passenger side cut back out so I can move it up a little. Gonna run some fat beads tomorrow, but I am done for tonight. See you guys later. Alright, guys, another day working on the S14. So right now I'm prepping the holes for the heater core and the AC lines. I got these little plates I'm making right here. I'm gonna fit them. They're a little, it's like beveled in, so I'm hoping the plate sits right in there and I can weld it and grind all this flat. Hopefully it turns out decently flat, but even if it's got to get filled up a little bit, that's fine.
We got Bondo.
Yeah. Fine. Who knows if we're gonna use body filler or sand it all down, but just filling holes. So as you saw there, I just got the plates welded up. I tacked these in, that went pretty well. I tacked this in and it was all crooked, so I had to grind it back off, grind it down, get it ready. Make it sit flat, you know. Now it's in there, it looks like shit tacked in, but I just have the carpet and stuff back here pried away. I don't have a fire blanket or anything in there, so I can't weld it tonight. But I'm gonna get a fire blanket and stuff tomorrow, something to block the heat from the sound deadener, and get these welded up and ground down and see if they end up pretty flush. I think they fit right in the recess nice, so hopefully when I weld them up they end up pretty flat. So another day, another penny. I am here tacking all these together and making small tacks, letting it cool down, trying not to burn the carpet or anything. So it's a slow process, but I'm gonna get this whole thing. I just decided I'm gonna tack it all the way around. Once I get it tacked, I'll grind it down flat and take care of it. So today on the S14, I just drilled out the spot welds on this bracket, taking that out, clean that up a little. I'm still tacking these in, just letting it cool down while I'm working on other stuff, filling some more holes today. I gotta grind some of this down and re-weld it because it's pretty thin right there, so I keep burning through it, but I'll get her done. Getting this other passenger side strut tower welded, getting this seam welded up today, and then that might be it. I'm done for the night, starting to get this all smoothed out. I'm doing all these little tacks, so it's kind of a long process, but getting it all filled in. This one turned out decent so far, just got to finish those two out. Another day, more S14 work. I'm welding up the back seam. I welded up these two seams right here. I tacked this in. I kind of went over with the owner about what he wanted to do for the shape of everything. So we're gonna straight cut these. So we're gonna cut this little round part off of both sides. I'll probably only cut it like flat with here. I won't cut it all the way up, so I can weld that seam up in here. But yeah, so I'm gonna cut them flat for the inside and then square plate that off. So I'm gonna try to get both sides tacked up. Probably not tonight, I'm getting pretty tired. But yeah, I got this one tacked up. I'm gonna tack that one up, make little plates, cut more of this out. I got lines on it already where I'm cutting, so that I can tack it all together and then have them come over and check it out again. Hey, a little update on the S14. I got tubs tacked in. Right now I am making these sheets for the flat panel right here. And I think I'm gonna try to go to somewhere in Rochester that has a brake press and get a little bend put in that, because I'm not gonna be able to bend it straight. So I'm gonna try to get them shaped up, these two flat panels for the bottom. Then I'm gonna have to buy one more sheet of metal and I can make the final side plate here. Well yeah, just working on those right now. So I just ran to a local welding shop and got these 90-degree bends put in these. And it turned out pretty nice. They missed the mark a little on this one. This one they were pretty much right on. I don't really like how it turned out towards this edge right here, but I'm still gonna tack it all in because I already paid to get it done. So I'm gonna tack these in. I'm gonna have the owner come by and see what he thinks. And if he likes them, I'll make them work. If not, I'll make him some new ones, just the way it goes. All right, I got those two panels tacked in here. And I'm gonna have to be trimming the edges and cutting off this curved part here, because I'm gonna have one more flat sheet. But I got those two panels tacked in. I'm gonna be having the owner come by to approve it before I weld everything in, because I'm not sure if he's gonna like that or want me to do it different. So next step, get him to come by and say what's up. Hey, what's up guys? Didn't film a whole lot, but I'm starting to weld in everything. Just a quick update. Alright, I think I'm gonna cut the video right there. That is it for this week. If you guys like that, give us a like, comment, subscribe. See you next time.
Thanks for watching.
Turbo.